Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos easily. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want fresh produce, your preferred protein, and a variety of toppings. Prepping everything beforehand makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. This simple approach ensures a delicious and satisfying meal every time, making taco night a breeze. Next, let's focus on the filling. Brown about 1 pound of your chosen protein, whether it's ground beef, chicken, or a plant-based option. Drain any excess fat, then stir in 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Add 1/4 cup of water and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Now for the fun part, toppings and shells. Gently warm your corn or flour tortillas. This makes them pliable and prevents cracking. Prepare your fresh toppings like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and finely chopped onions. Don't forget the classic additions such as shredded cheese, your favorite salsa, and a dollop of sour cream. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious tacos. Take a warm tortilla and spoon in a generous amount of your cooked filling. Then, pile on all your favorite toppings, creating a personalized masterpiece. Serve them immediately to enjoy the perfect blend of warm and fresh flavors. This easy method guarantees a satisfying taco experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.